Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a master program in UI UX by FITA Training Placement, and 3,823 ratings are there, and free interview is also there, placement support is also there, real-time industry expert is also there, and these are the tools like Figma, AIHD, Photoshop, Canva. And if we go down, these are the course modules. They are going to teach you Bootstrap, JavaScript. This has the advantage of web designing part also with HTML and CSS. And if we go down, uh, these are the tools: Illustrator, Canva, and if we go down, this is what you will learn: Figma, Bootstrap, Illustrator. No future-oriented tools like Miro, FitJam, FigmaMake. No AI tools are also there, like ChatGPT and Invasion. And these are the career opportunities after completion of course. And these are the placement. These are the hiring partners. So placement is there, and testimonial locations. Nothing else. Also, the UI of this page is looking very average in terms of UI UX scores. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum will be 0.5 for me because they didn't mention any proper detailing about the user interface or user experience, about the user research, wireframing and prototyping and all. Fundamental is also 0.5, lack of proper detailing. UI design quality is also 0.5 for me, and hand-on project is there, so it's a 1 for me. Tools and software training is again 0.5 for me because they lack with the future-oriented tools like Invasion, FitJam, Miro. So mentorship and feedback is there, and portfolio development is not there, so it's a 0 for me. Placement and career support is there, and course fees is 0.5 for me, and industry relevance update is again 0.5 for me. So if we count total, it make a 6 out of 10, and it's a average course. Like if you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can definitely go with the course, but I will not recommend this course because they lack with the future oriented course, which guide you about the tools related to mainly in UI UX. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters related to UI fundamentals, user research, wireframing, and also helping tools and software training and portfolio development after completion of course. Also guide you about the placement and career support after the completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.